Hi everybody, this is Diana from Sweet y Salado, and today we're going to make the perfect summer recipe, and that's how to make delicious coconut popsicles with bits and pieces of guava paste. And remember that the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. So to begin, we're going to start with adding coconut milk into a blender. We're also going to add a little bit of cream. I like to use half and half. You can also use whole milk if you want. Then we're going to add white granulated sugar and a little bit of vanilla or coconut extract. We're going to cover it and then blend it really well. Now we're going to add bits and pieces of the guava paste into each of the containers where we're going to make the popsicles. I like to add about 5 or 6 pieces. You can add more or you can add less. And even though this ingredient is completely optional, I highly recommend it. Now we're going to pour the coconut milk mixture into each of the popsicle containers. We're going to put the lid in place, then we add the popsicle sticks and then place them in the freezer for at least 4 hours or until they're completely solid. And that's your recipe for making these delicious coconut popsicles with bits and pieces of guava paste. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho!